Bhakti simply means love of God, progressive present service to the senses of the Supreme by one's own senses. A Bhakti Yoga practitioner has come to the consciousness of devotional service to God and seeks to live by maintaining a relationship with the Supreme Consciousness that resides in all living entities, which includes making time to happily clean Pachamama or Mother Earth as a pleasant example of devotional service to ourselves, to God, and to our planet and each other. Practitioners perceive that things are temporary and always in dynamic change according to the Source Supreme Personality, alongside karmic and personal realizations. By seeing all things in transitions and vibrations, practitioners experience life from within the image of the Source, and when balanced with an open heart, we all begin consciously emanating the love of the Source personally and impersonally. By uniting our consciousness with the Supreme Personality, we co-create and see new perspectives of life as we learn to live our lives connected with Mother Nature and other cosmic beings. When we remember that we are part of a bigger picture as an entire race of human bodies, we can easily find more peace-inducing commonalities as opposed to the minute differences that the false ego can use to divide us into disagreeable natures full of the fear and separateness that can claim individuals, couples, families, and communities. The goal is to promote a loving evolution where we no longer use our bodies and minds for technologies that destroy the very life systems we depend on. While removing all limitations from mankind, this program is specially intended for persons feeling unhealthy, depressed, misunderstood, financially in crisis, or grieving. As we self-realize, we overcome such obstacles. Bhakti Yoga opens the heart to make the mind ultra-brilliant, to evolve our technologies and pleasures into healing processes for the planet and life forms present with us on all dimensions. It is a spiritual ascension process that is open to all people at all times, and this is a part of God's mercy. Those seeking to have a healing, physical yoga practice that crosses into spiritual practice, that blends Abrahamic faiths, universal enlightenment, and even so-called atheistic practices, will find that Bhakti Yoga addresses such universal connections while bringing peace and harmony to the individual self. Bhakti Yoga deals directly with the transcendental vibrations and frequencies that make up what our minds perceive as reality, and is all about unconditional love, music, and fun. In Bhakti Yoga with Elijah, our mistakes become opportunities as we realize that self-transcendence shall reflect into every dimension and aspect of our lives. Yes, Elijah is guiding you through a progressive course, but the entire universe heals from your own devotion of time, ego-free self-love that shall remain as the goal of this program. Bringing that energy out of people is what I'm good at, so I hope to practice with you and your loved ones very soon. Blessings, love, and light.